simplifying equations, look at the first sum. In the first sum, there are two denominators there. Then we have to find the lowest common denominator. 4 and 3. What is the lowest common denominator of 4 and 3? That means 4 into 3. That is 12. Then, how many 4s are there? 12? 3. 3 into x plus 4 equals, under 12, how many 3s are there in 4? 4 into 2x minus 1. Then same denominator, then we can write the numerator. 3 into x plus 4 equals 4 into 2x minus 1. Then we can multiply from 3. 3x plus 3 into 4, 12 equals to 4 into 2x, 8x minus 4 into minus 1, 4. Then 8x, 3x. Then more value is 8x. We can move to 3x to this side. Then we can move to 4 to this side. That means 12 minus 4 plus 4 equals to 8x. 3x becomes minus 3x. Then 12 plus 4, 16 equals to 8x minus 3x. That means 5x. Then x equals to 16 divided by 5. That means how many 5s are there in 16? Yes, there are whole 3. 15, 1/5. Answer is 3 1/5. Value of x is. Now we will move to the second one. There, one denominator is there, plus 2 is there. We can move this 2 to this side. Then we will write it 5 minus x minus 1 equals to 12 plus 2 minus 2. Then 5 x minus 1 equals to 12, take away 2, 10. Then we can do cross multiplication here. That means 10 into x minus 1 equals to 5. 10 into x means 10x minus 10 into minus 1 minus 10 equals to 5. That means 10x equals to 5. We'll move 10 to this side plus 10. That means 15. 10x equals to 15. X equals to 15 divided by 10. Yes, how many 10s are there in 15? 1. Remaining 5 under 10. We can simplify this. 5 times 2. Answer is 1 1/2.